Good morning and thank you for joining us. Our morning outlook will focus on the Bitcoin USD recent developments and its potential impact on the markets. Let's hear from Greg in our trading room.
Bitcoin has lost 1.1% in the last session. The RSI has slightly receded into neutral territory. The euro-dollar pair has added 0.3% in the last session. The MACD shifted sharply into positive territory. The sterling-dollar pair has lost 0.2% in the last 3 sessions. Stochastic is strengthening and is currently overbought. The Aussie-dollar pair has added 0.5% in the last session. The MACD has shifted sharply into the positive area.
Thank you. Moving on to the latest updates in the world financial news.
Google's bid to take on rivals in the wearable technology market by buying Fitbit hit a hurdle as EU antitrust regulators launched an investigation into the $2.1 billion deal. The sterling could be ripe for volatility this week in light of the upcoming revision date to market PMI data and a highly anticipated BOE monetary policy update on deck. Ripple said that it sold $32.55 million of its XRP cryptocurrency during Q2 2020, a 1,760% jump over Q1's sales figures.
Thank you. And now let's go through today's major economic events.
The German factory orders will be released at 600 GMT, the UK BOE interest rate decision at 600 GMT, the UK construction PMI at 830 GMT. The U.S. Challenger job cuts at 11:30 GMT, the U.S. continuing jobless claims at 12:30 GMT, and the Australian AIG Services Index at 22:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.